Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we want to present you about comparison Linux and macOS. My name Fauzan Bintang. This is my another friends Mahfuz Azwar, and Rehan Yasvino Akbar.
So, in this presentation, we will discuss about Linux and macOS. Why do we choose Linux and macOS? The answer is simple. Both of them are OS for computer, but only one of them is known for general public and the other is only used for some people. By definition, OS is a software that communicates with the hardware and allows the programs to run. It is comprised of system software, or the fundamental files your computer needs to boot up and the function. Here are some examples of computer OS. There are Linux, Windows, and macOS. Windows and macOS are the titan of this industry, while Linux is just an underdog.
This is a definition Linux. Linux is software or operating system software that is open source and is free to obtain or distribute under the GNU license. Linux OS is the derivative of Unix and can be used on a variety of computers. With Linux, users can get a complete software with source code. Even users can change or modify the source code, and all that is legal, of course, under the GNU license. Linux was created by Linus Torvalds in 1991. Development was done on Minix using the GNU C compiler. This is a definition of macOS. macOS is an operating system with a graphical interface developed and distributed by Apple Inc. This operating system is provided for Macintosh computers. This operating system was first released in 21 and is popular with users. macOS story: lifelong dream of Stephen G. Wozniak. In 1976, Wozniak and Steve Jobs founded the company named Apple. The first OS was introduced in 1984 to run company's Macintosh line of personal computers.
Okay, these are advantage and disadvantage of Linux. The advantage, the first one is stable. Second one, you have many choice in wide variety of distros. The third one can breathe new life into old computers. The advantage of Linux, the first one, learning curve for people who are new to Linux. Second one, many Windows program will not run in Linux. And the last one, smaller selection of verifiable hardware drivers. Why Linux stable? Because Linux rarely crash and when they do multitask. The why smaller selection? Because for some printer scanners or other device, it can't run in Linux. And these are the advantage and disadvantage of Mac. The advantage is the first one is streamline user interface without compromising. The second one, better and consistent operating system and hardware integration. The third one, bundle with several free productivity. The advantage, the first one, very expensive. Second one, limited option for upgrading the hardware. And the last one, limited number of apps available in App Store. Why Streamly user interface without compromising function? Because macOS is similar with OS in iPhone or iPad. And why very expensive? Yeah, as you know, if you want macOS, you have to buy Mac, iMac or MacBook, and iMac and MacBook is very expensive.
Now we will compare them in four perspectives. First one, price. Naturally, Linux will come out on top since most of its distributions are free. Meanwhile, to use macOS, the user is required to buy the whole computer or the whole PC, since this OS is exclusive to Apple products only. Second perspective, practicality. macOS takes the cake on this one, because the user only need to boot the computer up and use it right away after buying the product. And now the third perspective, usability. In terms of usability, both of them are the same, but Linux can also be used on an old computer to run smoothly, and Linux computer can also be used to run a computer server with a certain type of distribution that is called Linux Server OS. And the last but not least, the reliability. Both of them are on par in our opinion, but Linux is a bit reliable since it doesn't have an auto update unless the user allows it. An auto update in a certain situation can be fatal for the user. That's why we think Linux is a bit better in terms of reliability.
Okay, conclusion. They both are excellent OS for your computer. Everything depends on what the user hoping to achieve with OS. For example, if you want design or editing, then macOS is the right choice. If you want use old computers, then use Linux. Make it right choice, guys. Okay.
Thank you for attention and thank you for watching our video. See you next time. Yeah.